Density of a substance is mass per unit volume. To find density of any substances, solids, liquids or gases, we should find their mass and we should find their volume. Their mass divided by volume is a density of that particular liquid, and density of a liquid decides whether an object is going to sink in it or float in it, or it is going to be more viscous or not viscous, etc. Let's find density of a liquid through this lab activity. So what things we require is we need a beaker, we need a measuring cylinder, we need a spring balance to find mass of the liquid, and since we are finding a density of a liquid we can't suspend to a spring balance. So we need an arrangement by which we can hang the liquid taken in a container. So first, to begin with, we have to find the least count of the spring balance. To find the least count, see the first number what is written in the right side and what is the next number. First number is 0, next number is 50. From 0 to 50 there are 5 divisions. So least count is 50 over 5, that is a 10. So least count of the spring balance here is 10 grams. Its meaning is every one division on the spring balance is a 10 grams. What is the range of the spring balance? It ranges from 0 to a 500. So that's the range of the spring balance. That means we can weigh anything in the spring balance with maximum up to 500 grams, means half a kilo. And this spring balance has a no zero error. There is no error. It's a very good spring balance. Next, coming to the measuring cylinder that we will use to find volume. So what is least count of this measuring cylinder? You see any two nearest numbers. I see here 50 and 60. That is divided into 10 divisions. So 50 to 60 is a 10 ml milliliter. 10 milliliter is divided by 10 divisions. So least count is just 1 ml. Its meaning is every one division on this measuring cylinder is 1 milliliter. So these are the two basic things that we need to start the experiment to find density of a liquid. This measuring cylinder ranges from 0 to 100 ml. That means max up to 100 ml a liquid we can take in it. Now let's begin the experiment. I have taken some liquid in the in the beaker. Now first we'll find the weight of the measuring cylinder. Let's see how much it weighs. Now see the right side, only count the number of divisions. So there the number of division is 12, and every one division is 10 grams, which is the least count of the spring balance. So 12 divisions into 10 grams is 120. So the beaker, the measuring cylinder, weighs 120 grams when it is empty. Now let's remove the polythene bag from the spring balance. Now we'll take some liquid inside this measuring cylinder, and then we will weigh the measuring cylinder along with the liquid whose density we are going to find. So what is the volume of liquid in the measuring cylinder? It is 45 ml. Now let's weigh the measuring cylinder by putting it in the polythene bag, and now let's see how much it weighs. Earlier it weighed 120 grams, now it is weighing 190 grams. So with the liquid, the measuring cylinder weighs 190. So you can guess what is the weight of the liquid, which will be considered as mass because we are seeing the grams part. So 190 minus 120, that is 70 grams. So weight of the liquid means mass of the liquid is 70 grams. Mass per unit volume is going to be the density of the liquid. So mass is 70 grams and volume was 45 ml. So density of the liquid that is taken in this experiment is 1.6 grams per milliliter. So mass of the liquid was 70 grams, volume was 45 ml. So density of the liquid is 1.6 grams per milliliter. Hope you have understood how to find the density of a liquid in the laboratory. This experiment belonged to CBSE class 9th